We're going to say goodbye to these guys.
Well, I think this is the point.
Where we depart.
Many thanks.
Safe journey, man.
I hope so in your case. Enjoy the rest of the journey.
Will do.
It's been a real pleasure.
I'm glad I could help. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good... sorry, I forget your name again. Nom.
Ismal.
Mai.
Ismal is one of the sons of Abraham.
Okay.
Which is a very important person in the Muslim religion.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Yeah.
So
have a good journey.
Yeah.
And see you on the road.
Yeah, hope so.
Safe journeys. Ciao. So that was Augustine and Ismal. Augustine was the guy that had the puncture. Stopped to give some assistance. We're in Morocco! Morning, we have left the campsite. Quite a nice campsite on top of the hill overlooking CHEFCHAOUEN. However, you have to pay for hot water. There is no bar, there is no restaurant. You got a small fridge at the front desk where you can buy cool drinks and tourist stuff from the area. I paid 65 dirham, motorbike tent and myself. I'll leave the description below. If you are coming to CHEFCHAOUEN on a motorbike, just be warned, the roads are quite slippery. They're all asphalt. There was one section I went up yesterday behind two camper vans. I pulled the brakes and I kind of started sliding back a little bit. Just be warned with that when you go up to the campsite. So we're heading to CHEFCHAOUEN, 55 kilometers. Beautiful sunny day, no wind, and it's going to be a cool 25 degrees throughout the journey today. And we have 60 kilometers to CHEFCHAOUEN. We're going to stop there, have a quick coffee, and then we're gonna head on the N16 straight to Hoceima. And as it's my last night in Morocco, I'm gonna treat myself to a hotel on the beach. So a nice little scenic route along the coast, nice relaxing day, nothing too stressful, and all these little villages dotted along the coastal region. That's quite a spectacular view, eh? Look at that. What a scenic route, huh? Nice little beach down there. So for the next 80 odd kilometers we're going to be hiking the coast and the mountain, and then we sort of go a little bit further away, a couple of kilometers away from the coast, and then we come back onto the coastal route again. So for the majority of the journey we will be coastal. That's remarkable. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. So we're entering the province, the Hoceima, and we are back. We're going to sort of creeping back to the ocean. So we're about to arrive at the destination for today, Al Hoceima. We're going to be hoteling it today because I've just been really exhausted over the last few days, and because it's my last night in Morocco, I'm gonna sort of treat myself. Good morning, welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. This is our last day in Morocco. We are leaving Al Hoceima and we are a short 2-hour ride to the ferry. We're boarding the ferry tonight at 6 o'clock and we're on the ferry for a slow 42 hours. Wow. I mean, some of the mountain passes I drive through, you know, you'd think someone had sculptured them. They're masterpieces. Look at that. I mean, take a moment to appreciate that view. Wow. I mean, look at that. So, I just had a little bit of stop with these guys. The guy in front on the KTM, he had a puncture. Unfortunately, he didn't have anything with him. I gave up my tube to him. You know, if you can help people, I just helped him out, you know, as you do, fellow bikers. We are 45 minutes away from Nador. We're going to stop, have a coffee, have something to lunch, then we're going to go on the boat. 2.5 days rest. Oh wow, look at that. I'll tell you one thing, if I had a little bit of time, so we're just coming into the sort of area where we're going to be leaving these guys. Agostini and his friend are going to continue south, I think they said. Are they turning left? You'll see it in a second. And there it is, Nador. We're going to say goodbye to these guys. Where we depart. Safe journey, man. Will do. I'm glad I could help. Thank you, sir. Have a good... sorry, I forget your name again. Nom. Mai. Ismal.
One of the sons of
Okay. Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
So,
Have a good journey, and see you on the road. Safe journeys. Ciao. Augustine was the guy that had the puncture. Stopped to give some assistance. Yeah, we are sort of in the middle of Nador. Let's see what that sign says. Somewhere there's got to be a sign that says Port de Porta. Why ask Garmin when you got the police? Hello!
Hello!
Netherlands!
Nederland! You look good!
Thank you. Are you coming or are you going?
I'm coming, I arrived yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Yes, I'm waiting for 4 friends.
Okay.
They come off now. So,
I am going.
you are going.
Yes.
It's a pity.
I know, it's such a shame. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the GNV Ferry. It took a while. There was a problem with the technical computer, and it shut down for 3 hours. So we were supposed to be on the boat already 3 hours ago. It's due to leave in 1.5 hours. And we're just parking the motorbikes now. Then we're going to go up and show you what the boat's all about. 1, 2. We found the room. Let's see what Italian quality is all about. We did ask for a sea view. We got a sea view, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's the port. Come in sort of directly behind us. Nador, half of Nador, because the other half is on the other side. Cafeteria and so on. The food bars that are aboard, you pay, it's apparently it's like a self-service buffet thing, which I'm okay with. But what the guy on the phone at GNV told me that the food pass is for food on board. Okay, he didn't specify that food on board is only from the self-service counter, and they only open at 8 till 10 o'clock in the morning, 12 till 2 in the afternoon, and from 8 till 10 o'clock at night. So if you're hungry at 6 o'clock, you're stuffed. You don't get to eat. You have to wait, and you can't get food anywhere else because you have to pay for it in another shop. And then they've got this deal that GNV says, thank you very much, as a thank you for choosing GNV, we'll give you 20% off when you buy a maxi food voucher. And the maxi food vouchers are €50. So GNV, get your shit together. So I found the sun deck. We're heading to France. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.